For the points negative 4, 2 and 4, negative 3, do the following. Part 1. Find the slope of the line passing through the given points. Simplify your answer, use an integer or a fraction. And Part 2. Plot these points and graph the line. So for Part 1, we're asked to find the slope. What we need to do is to recall the formula for slope. So recall that slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 represents the y-coordinate of the second point. So if we designate 4, negative 3 as the second point, then y2 will be negative 3. y1 represents the y-coordinate of the first point. The y-coordinate of the first point is the number 2. x2 represents the x-coordinate of the second point. And x1 represents the x-coordinate of the first point. So let's go ahead and substitute. y2 is negative 3 minus y1, which is 2. And all of that is divided by x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is negative 4. And then we carefully simplify. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. And 4 minus negative 4 is 8. So the slope of the line is negative 5 over 8. Negative 5/8 is the slope of the line. Now notice in Part 1 it does not ask us to find the equation of the line. It asks us to find the slope of the line. The slope is negative 5 over 8. In Part 2 we're asked to plot these points and graph the line. So first of all, let's plot negative 4, 2. Start at the origin, which is where the x and y axis meet. Go left 4 and up 2 and plot a point. That's the point negative 4, 2. Secondly, plot the second point. 4, negative 3. So start at the origin, go 4 units to the right, and then down 3. And that is the point 4, negative 3. Okay, finally, draw a line that passes through these 2 points. And that is the line that passes through the 2 points. Just so that you see how slope is related, first of all notice that our slope is negative and our line is decreasing. When a line has negative slope, then the line is decreasing as we look at it from left to right. We can also see that in order to go from one point to the next, if we start at negative 4, 2, if we go down 5, and then go over 8, then we end up at the point for negative 3. So we can think of the slope as rise over run. We're going down 5, and then we're going over 8, and that takes us to another point on the line.